Tailwind CSS 4.0 is here, and it's not just an update, it's a full-on flex. With faster builds, smarter defaults, and futuristic features, the version turns your CSS workflow into a Formula One pit stop. Let's dive into everything new in Tailwind 4.0 and why it's about to redefine how you build on the web. Tailwind's new engine is so fast, it makes Sonic look sluggish. Full builds over 3.5 times faster. Incremental builds up to 182 times faster. Yes, that's microseconds we're talking about. Thanks to caching, the longer you work on a project, the faster it gets. So every time you reuse a class like font bold or grid cols 3, Tailwind says, don't worry, I've got this. Efficiency meets overachievement. Tailwind 4.0 embraces cutting-edge CSS features like cascade layers and logical properties. Translation: more control, less hassle. And with tools like Color Mix, you can now blend colors directly in CSS. Goodbye hex codes, hello artistic freedom. It even supports registered custom properties for animating gradients. Because why just build a website when you can have it dance? Remember the setup pain in earlier versions? Gone. Tailwind 4.0 lets you install everything with one line of CSS. Import Tailwind CSS. No config, no boilerplate, just plug it in and start designing. It's so easy, even your weekend side projects won't feel abandoned anymore. Good news for Vite users. Tailwind now has an official plugin. It's like putting Nitro in your front-end stack. Better performance, minimal config, and absolutely no post-CSS drama. Are you tired of babysitting your content array? Tailwind 4.0 detects templates automatically. It skips irrelevant files like gitignore, entries, and binaries so your build stays lean and mean. And if you really need to add something weird, just use @source. Goodbye tailwind.config.js. Hello CSS first configuration. Now you can define everything from breakpoints to design tokens directly in your CSS file. Need a custom color palette? Just add variables like color avocado 500. Your CSS is now your playground. The default color palette has gone P3, which is fancy talk for your gradients are about to look amazing on modern screens. Plus, with the new Gradients API, you can create radial, conic, and interpolated gradients like a pro. Tailwind finally supports container queries. No more plugins, just clean, scalable layouts that adjust based on the container size, not the viewport. And for the overachievers, new 3D transform utilities that let you rotate, scale, and translate in a 3D space. It's HTML with depth, literally. Variants are getting smarter. Want to style an element only when it's not something? Use not dash. Need fine-grained control over child elements? Try nth dash. Worried about upgrading? Don't be. Tailwind's automated tool migrates your project effortlessly. And with the updated docs, you'll actually enjoy reading the manual. Weird, right? Tailwind CSS 4.0 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Faster builds, smarter defaults, and more creative freedom than ever before. Ready to upgrade? Your future self will thank you.